Shooting suckers, macking, Mike, and making men of them. Tears and fears for my peers, they risen. You think that it is, if not it isn't. Race for the border, my daughter could beats are banging out. Cheeks rocking beats in the streets and it's time for hanging out. Gather, or rather form a circle around out loud. Just good brothers or others could never ever rock a crowd. Is it because he's running off with the mouth? Or was he really clearly trying to play it out? No, shut him down, the king with the crown. Cause all you wanna be is Dickie down.
Ago, a friend of mine asked me to say some MC rhyme, so I said this rhyme I'm about to say. The rhyme was Mecca and then it went this way. Recollect a Mecca mic check on a windmill skill. Mac the stats wearing Godfather hats. It's okay to parlay the forte better. Tell them tougher than leather. Swing another Rodney King thing and I wreck. But just like the white one, I get no respect. Money stay awake cause the other fake from Hollis to the beacon. Know your dumb ass is leaking. CL and 1DMC, so rush it. Big time way before Hammer got to touch it. Remember the faces in all types of places. Look, ma, no shoelaces. And I'm
you wanna be, you wanna be, you wanna be. Check it, I'm taking a tour, I'm wrecking the land. I keep it hardcore cause it's dope, man. These are the roughest, toughest words I ever wrote down. Not meant for a hole like a slow jam, check it. Sucker MCs could never swing with D because of all the things that I bring with me. Only G.O.D. could be a king to me, and if the G.O.D. be in me, then a king I be. The microphone is granted when it's handed to me. I was planted on this planet and I plan to MCs. The MC themes only seem to agree that I rock the world and the society. Outrageous on the stages with a tuna verse. I give praises from these pages to the universe. My voice is raw, my lyrics is law. I keep it hardcore like you never saw you wanna be. You wanna be. You know you wanna be. You wanna be, you wanna be. You know you wanna be.
Man, you see, in the place to be, I went to John Jay University, and since kindergarten I acquired the knowledge, and after 12th grade I went straight to college. Down with the kings on the mic, a full swinger, the P to the R, not an R&B singer, the R to the U-N-D-M-C, and the fly human beings, tonight I hold the key. Flowing with the funk track, hit a soul brother black, pick up the bass, better yet through the space. So let me put my big black Twinkie on into the early morning, had the skins yawning. Mecca, yo, you want the Mecca, yo? I make a funky beat so we can blow, check it out. He rocks the beat, knock, put you in a headlock, and now all the yada yada flock, cause I'm down with the things.
Tell me, what do you see when you're looking at me? Whoa.